Every year, rich countries throw away 222 million tons of food. Every night, 1 person in 7 goes to bed hungry. In West Africa, 230,000 children die every year due to malnutrition. The question is not whether there will be another drought in the Sahel, but how we can avoid it becoming another food crisis. The food system is a global network of farmers, producers, traders, consumers, and you. Do you dream of being the last generation to witness hunger? Do you have something to say to your leaders to put an end to hunger? Say it on screen as part of the Generation Without Hunger film competition. Just use your iPad, your mobile phone, your video camera, your camera or your webcam to film and win prizes, including a trip to the FESPACO Film Festival. Send the link of your video to Génération Sans Fin at oxfam.org.sn before 15th January 2013.